Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ákos Udovecz. I am working at the International Relations Office of ELTE Faculty of Law, and I would like to talk about, there will be some repetitions, but I would like to talk about practical issues. I would like to introduce you the application process and give you useful information and useful knowledge that will help you to successfully apply to one of our programs. Before I go into details, I would also like to just shortly repeat why should you come to Budapest, for example, and to Hungary. We are in Central Europe. Budapest is a beautiful city. It is safe with good public transportation and various opportunities, various programs. So you can really have a good time in Budapest if you decide to come and to spend the duration of the program physically in Budapest. Let me show you a picture, a photo of the faculty building. This is the main building of the faculty. We are the oldest and largest law faculty, and university is one of the oldest and the biggest university in Hungary. We are the first in rankings. This is the main building of the law faculty. And now let's get into the details of the application process. ELTE University has a unified platform for all the degree programs, which is www.elte.hu. You can find all programs offered by ELTE, the various faculties of ELTE University. And if you narrow the search to the law faculty, then you will find the 3 LLM programs we are offering for international students in English language. These are the European and International Business Law, the European Human Rights, and the International Taxation LLM programs. When you click on each of these programs, you will easily find a link that will lead you to apply.elte.hu. That is the unified platform for the applications. You just need to register there. It is easy to create an account and then upload all the information which is required from you. These are your personal data, contact data, your study history, and the supporting documents. The most important part of your application will be the supporting documents, although I'm asking you just be very careful when you are uploading your personal data, because it is important for us that these should be very precise. And now about the supporting documents. We only need copies, scanned copies, which you upload. Firstly, the copy, scanned copy of your diploma, your legal degree, and then a copy of your English language certificate, which should be at least B2 level English language certificate. Any type of language certificate is accepted by us. We are very flexible with that, which is equal to a B2 level of English proficiency. Also, if you are coming from a country where you studied or where you had your legal studies in English, then we do not ask for a language certificate if your diploma states that the language of tuition was English. And the third important supporting document is your motivation letter, which should not be more than a page long. Also, it is important to know that we do not collect application fees. Sometimes it is a malfunction of the ELTE application site. Sometimes the system asks for the application fee, but please do disregard that. In these programs, we do not collect application fees, and we do not have application interviews. The decisions on the selection of participants are made solely on the documents which you upload in the ELTE Dream Apply system. It is important that you can add documents later, so it is possible to add extra documents, supporting documents, even after you are finished with the first round of submitting or uploading your documents. So you can make modifications later as well. We shall communicate with you in the system in case we see that some supporting documents are not efficient. I would like to repeat once again that all three programs, LLM programs offered by the faculty, are part-time correspondence programs, which means that lessons shall be concentrated every second Fridays and Saturdays, as many participants, mostly the local participants, but some foreign participants as well, are practicing lawyers who are attending these programs besides their daily works, daily jobs. The program is, all three programs are 2 semesters long, starting from mid-September. The first semester starts in mid-September, the second semester starts in mid-February and ends in the following summer in June, July. It's also important to know that ELTE University does not offer scholarship for these programs. Neither of these programs are part of the Stipendium Hungaricum scholarship program. And unfortunately, we cannot offer you dormitory places. The application deadline for all three programs is 30 June, and the selection decision on the applications is communicated shortly after 30 June by the program coordinators, which means that you will get the results shortly after June 30. And those of you who are coming from a country where you need a visa to enter Hungary, you need to start your visa application in case you'd like to move to Budapest, to be able to be here physically for the duration of the program. We provide administrative assistance in the residence visa application process by providing acceptance letters and visa supporting letters. Keep in mind that as these are correspondence programs, you will not be eligible for the student visa, but for another type of visa. When you contact the embassy placed in your country or in the neighboring country to submit the visa application, the personal bill, the consular service personnel will instruct you which type of visa you should apply for. Sometimes in case of the European and International Business Law LLM, if you need a decision earlier because you'd like to apply for a scholarship in your country, you may ask for a pre-selection committee decision in case you need one before 30 June. This is what I wanted to tell you about the application process. And also here is a repetition what Somsic also told you, that in the next year, starting from September, we will be prepared to provide the lessons and provide the teaching online as well, parallelly with in-person teaching, depending on the actual pandemic situation, which is still unclear. So you can be sure that the programs will start. We do hope that we will be able to meet you in person in Budapest, but if you cannot arrive in time, or if you'd like to continue your studies online, that will also be possible.